Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm out here today with a multi-tool review for you. Alright, so today we've got the Grand Harvest multi-tool. Alright, so here it is. It has a nice stone wash on it. Now, its main claim to fame is that it's got folding pliers and, check this out, alright, it's got full-size rescue shears. I was very surprised by the fit and finish on this. It's really good. In fact, it has better fit and finish than a lot of the new Leathermans do. The stone wash is first rate. It opens smoothly. Like the one-handed opening on the knife blades was also very smooth. A lot of off-brand tools are crude. This is anything but. Alright, I'm just going to demonstrate the tools on this that I find most fun to demonstrate. So as I was saying, it's got the full-size rescue shears. And it's got these pliers. Alright, this is 3-strand cable wire. See that? First of all, I've already done like a hell of a lot of test cuts. Alright, but let's see if I can get this in frame one more time. Alright, there you go. Here are the shears cutting on paracord. It's just, it effortlessly, cleanly cuts the paracord. Here they are cutting these, it's like a plastic binding. Here it is on a seatbelt-like strap. Here it is on rubber tubing making a Ranger band. And here it is on PVC rope. Alright, so as you saw, those shears are just a total beast. They will cut rubber, paracord, plastic bindings, PVC rope, seatbelt type material. So here is the saw doing a little sawing. Yeah, so I have been testing out this saw extensively on making test cuts. This is kiln-dried firewood. It's not the fastest saw, I have to say, but it's okay for small jobs. Like with whittling, you make stop cuts like this, and then you would take your knife blade and remove in between. So for little tasks like that, the saw is fine. A fully serrated blade and a plain edge blade. So now this is ambidextrous, so to speak, because you have a one-handed opening blade on either side. That's good. I think they included the fully serrated blade because it is a complement to the rescue shears. In certain crisis situations, you may need the extra cutting power of the serrations. Yeah, it's interesting they gave you a full-size serrated and full-size plain edge. I might as well test out the serrations a little bit. Here it is. Got some bike tire tubing. Alright, went right through. And seatbelt type material. Hold up. Ripped right through. Alright, let's do some with the plain edge. Hope you're all doing well. It's very sunny today, but it's a lot colder than it looks, strangely. We've been having weather like that. Now here is the official tool set. You've got pliers, you've got a wire cutter, a bottle opener, screwdriver, knife blade, scissors. You have an oxygen cylinder wrench, a can opener, a saw, a fully serrated blade, survival whistle, magnesium rod, and pocket clip. So there is the plain edge blade, and there is a fully serrated blade. There is the saw, the pliers, the shears. And then over here you have the pocket clip, you have a flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener, you have a can opener, you've got wire stripping notches, and the oxygen wrench right there. This is a whistle and a fire starter. Now the best way to get it out is to pull it like that, pull it up, right? And then open this, and then you can get out like that. This multi-tool came with this pouch. All right, so you see the straps there. Now this pouch, it actually has a little extra pocket in there for a bit kit, even though it doesn't come with one, but you can put like a little keychain pry bar or something in there as well, so that's the pouch. Final thoughts on this tool. Well, let's talk price. The price currently, it's going to be between $40 to $50 on US Amazon, right? So $40 is the lowest price we've seen so far. I do believe that could go down, but you might have to wait till the Christmas sale season. The good parts are the use of that Sandvik steel on the blade, right? That is a noticeable upgrade and it performed well. The shears are definitely the most valuable player on this. If you want a multi-tool that you can just cut things, if you want scissors or shears that just always work on basically any material, you want this. Yeah, I do think it's worth it. Definitely very good multi-tool. I actually saw this on 2 channels, Max Level and HVAC, right? Multi-tool specialists. And so if you need more information, you can watch their channels, but what can I say? They convinced me to try this and I wanted to try it for myself. Going to add it to my multi-tool collection and use it, especially when I need one with shears. That's so. Hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Multi-Tools. I'm out.